30 lessons from getting things done. 1. Capture everything. Write down every task or idea as soon as it comes to mind to avoid forgetting it. To clarify what each task means. For every task, ask yourself what the next action is. 3. Organize your tasks into lists. Sort tasks into categories like work, home, or errands for easier management. 4. Review your system regularly. Set aside time each week to review and update your task lists. 5. Break tasks into actionable steps. Complex tasks should be broken down into simple, actionable steps. 6. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Identify which tasks are the most pressing and tackle those first. 7. Create context for tasks. Group tasks by where or how they should be completed, like at computer or phone calls. 8. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task will take less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. 9. Set a clear goal for each project. Be specific about the outcome you want for every project. 10. Keep a some days maybe list. Write down ideas or tasks you might want to pursue someday but not right now. 11. Delegate when possible. If a task can be done by someone else, delegate it to free up your time. 12. Use checklists for recurring tasks. For repetitive tasks, create a checklist to ensure nothing is missed. 13. Simplify your commitments. Say no to unnecessary commitments that clutter your schedule. Keep all tasks in one system. Use a single tool or system to manage your tasks to avoid confusion. 15. Process your inbox regularly. Go through your email or task inbox daily and clear it out. 16. Batch similar tasks together. Group similar tasks together, like making all your phone calls at once. 17. Focus on one thing at a time. Avoid multitasking and focus entirely on one task until it's complete. 18. Set clear deadlines. Assign deadlines to tasks to keep yourself accountable. 19. Use next action reminders. For every task, define the very next action required and make it visible. 20. Keep your workspace clutter-free. A clean and organized workspace helps you stay focused. 21. Use project folders. Keep all materials related to a project in one folder, whether digital or physical. 22. Block time for deep work. Schedule uninterrupted blocks of time for tasks that require deep focus. 23. Take breaks to recharge. Regular breaks prevent burnout and help maintain productivity. 24. Use reminders effectively. Set reminders for time-sensitive tasks to avoid forgetting them. 25. Limit distractions. Create a distraction-free environment by turning off notifications and avoiding multitasking. 26. Break larger goals into smaller tasks. Divide big projects into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 27. Focus on progress, not perfection. Aim for progress in your tasks rather than perfect execution. 28. Plan your day the night before. Create a plan for the next day to start your morning with clarity. 29. Keep reference materials organized. Store important documents and information in an organized, easy-to-access way. 30. Celebrate your accomplishments. Take a moment to acknowledge completed tasks, especially significant ones. If you found this info helpful, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more money tips and tricks. Got any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.